I used a lot of Welsh greetings initially in the classes. It seems to be more popular, if anything, with lower levels. I've got a pre-entry 3-4 class, which is real beginners. And if I don't say bore da to them in the morning, they're like, yeah, teacher, no, not good morning, bore da, teacher. Oh, sorry, yeah, bore da, bore da. And there's a few students that are really picking up on the Welsh there. We're doing some food vocabulary in English. And we're doing, what's your favourite food? I don't like. And one of them said, oh, I like cowl. I was like, oh, cowl, brilliant. And everybody else had said, carrots, but chips and all that. And this lad came up with cowl. So I'd explain what that was and had pictures up on the board. And they were really interested in it, so it was good. At the moment, I'm always talking about the rugby, because of the autumn series. I'm very passionate about Welsh rugby, and all my students know this. I've actually got a student who plays rugby now as well, and we're always having a good chat about the results and who's going to win and so on. But that's one area. About Gower as well. I'm very passionate about Gower. Born and bred, brought up there, and I go surfing down there. So I always tell my students where I've been and what I've been doing on the weekends. Try and get them interested in the places to go, Rossilly, Llangennith, all those sort of areas. A lot of which they've never even heard of, because they hardly leave the city, hardly ever go out of Swansea. They just tend to stick to their communities, and they don't realise there's such beautiful places to visit. So I try and sort of get that across to them.